Imagine waking up one day and realizing that everything you know, the stars, planets, your memories, even your body, is just an illusion, a fleeting moment in a vast, random universe. This idea may sound strange, but it's at the core of the Boltzmann Brain hypothesis, which challenges our understanding of existence and consciousness. The origin of the Boltzmann Brain hypothesis. The Boltzmann Brain hypothesis is named after Ludwig Boltzmann, a 19th-century physicist who studied entropy and randomness in physical systems. Boltzmann suggested that, given enough time, random fluctuations could cause temporary reductions in entropy, allowing order to emerge out of chaos, if only briefly. This concept helps explain how stars, galaxies, and complex systems can form in an otherwise disorderly universe. But what if these random fluctuations produced a conscious brain with thoughts, memories, and a sense of self? The birth of a disembodied consciousness. This disembodied consciousness, spontaneously created by random events, is what we call a Boltzmann brain. The concept is significant because it challenges our understanding of reality, suggesting that consciousness might arise in ways we can't easily predict or comprehend. If the universe is infinite and time stretches on forever, it becomes statistically inevitable that atoms will randomly assemble into anything imaginable, even a conscious mind floating in space, with a full set of memories and experiences. This leads us to an unsettling question: could we be Boltzmann brains? Could our entire existence be nothing more than a random fluctuation, a fleeting blip in an otherwise empty and chaotic universe? Are we really just Boltzmann brains? The unsettling part of the Boltzmann brain hypothesis is that, from a probabilistic standpoint, it might be more likely for a single brain to emerge by chance. This could mean that an entire universe evolving in an orderly way to produce billions of conscious beings like us is less probable. If that's true, then statistically speaking, it might be more probable that we are just disembodied consciousnesses than physical beings in a consistent, structured universe. This hypothesis raises the possibility that everything we perceive, our memories, our relationships, the world around us, could all be illusions. These illusions might be fabricated by a consciousness that randomly sprang into existence. It's a mind-boggling idea that has led to intense debates among physicists and philosophers, challenging the very foundations of how we understand reality. The counter-arguments, however, many scientists and philosophers, such as Sean Carroll and Alan Guth, argue against the Boltzmann brain scenario. They point out that if Boltzmann brains were more common than evolved beings like us, we would expect a very different kind of universe, one without the consistency, structure, and observable laws of physics that we experience. The fact that our universe appears comprehensible and orderly strongly suggests that we are not just random fluctuations. Moreover, the Boltzmann brain hypothesis is often seen as pointing to a paradox. If such disembodied brains were more probable, then why do we experience such a stable reality? The existence of consistent physical laws, galaxies, and life on Earth suggests that our universe is not a chaotic accident but has evolved in a structured and predictable way. What does it mean for us? While the Boltzmann brain hypothesis is intriguing, it's a thought experiment meant to push our understanding of entropy, probability, and consciousness. It doesn't mean that we should seriously consider ourselves as disembodied consciousness floating in a void. Instead, it reminds us of just how mysterious and vast the universe is, and how much we still have to learn about the nature of reality. The Boltzmann brain hypothesis makes us wonder, what exactly is consciousness? How can we be sure that what we experience is real? Can we ever truly understand our place in the universe? While we may not have definitive answers, contemplating these questions helps us appreciate the complexity of existence and the beauty of our orderly, structured universe, a place where, against all odds, we can look up at the stars and wonder about our own beginnings.